Ryan is going to tell us how to make a palm.
So you have to like take a piece that big, and then the easiest way after you did that is just to do this. That will make it a circle. Then this stuff is pretty easy. I like this. Take a little bit, about this much is what I like.
Okay.
Sometimes need to flatten that. Actually, that's too much. Should take about that much.
Okay.
Actually, I need to roll it so long.
Okay.
There. Fold that in.
Mm-hmm.
Then you take the top, it doesn't matter right now, but the one that you put it on is gonna be the top. Now do that like quite a lot of times, and this is how you do it.
And you fold each one over?
Yeah, but that's too much. This is still too much, actually. I think that's right. So see this?
You can see it on the film? Yeah.
And then you have to fold it down, push right there, hold on this side.
Now show me now that you've done that. Hold it out in front of the phone.
Then you have to do that.
Yeah.
Then it has to be like that. And sometimes what I like to do to make an even cooler one is do that and do something that I'm not even trying, but I think it will work.
Let's look at our waterfall over here and how good that is. And what you're making are some of these folded ones up there. Those are really cool.
And I've never tried this, but sometimes I like to put them like down here and maybe some on top here. I'm gonna try like that, but like all on top.
Good.
That's the longer type.
All right. Thanks for showing us, Orion.